this video, I'm going to show you how you can make about $400 to $2,000 every single month, and it's through a simple generative AI certificate you can get freely from Google. Now, I know you've watched a lot of YouTube videos. You can see YouTube videos that talk about how you can make money from ChatGPT, how you can make money from different AI, but I promise you, you can never really make money through that means, except you understand really how AI works. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how you can actually get this free Google certificate and where you can actually apply to get full-time job as a generative AI specialist. And it's quite simple and straightforward. So why just go ahead to try do certain things that do not work when you can actually understand the back end and how it truly works through simple free Google certificate? Without further ado, let's hop Irene. Let me show you how this works. But before then, I am having a free one-on-one class. It's a master class where I teach people the fastest way they can start making money online. Everything we teach online actually works on my channel. However, some will take faster route, some will take longer, some will take shorter time. In this video, in my class, I am showing you a simple route where you can start making money online as early as the first week we kickstart. If you want to be a part of that class, all you have to do is to type in the comment section, Phil, I want to be a part of your class. But before that, do very well to like this video because it is also a prerequisite for joining my class. You would agree with me that AI seems to be the talk of the moment right now. People are making tons and tons of money from it. It is also true that AI is going to take away certain jobs. It is also, even in fact, much more of a truth that AI is enhancing a lot of jobs. And there are tons and tons of companies out there that are in search of people who are actually good with this technology. In no time, that can actually be you getting jobs from European companies, from companies all around the world by this AI certificate, this generative AI certificate that you would get through what I'm about to show you. AI is taking over. Companies are recruiting. It is taking over jobs, taking over industry, and you can either choose to be a part of the bandwagon, join the bandwagon, or be left out, because in a very short while, every job you apply for, they probably will request that you have some form of artificial intelligence knowledge in order for you to pass, because there was a time where computer was never really a prerequisite for getting jobs. Now, for almost 95% of jobs, you need to be at least a computer literate for you to get this job. And in no time, not further from now, it's going to be artificial intelligence being at the forefront. So why wait till then when you can actually start learning right now and becoming an expert? When people are actually looking for this job, you become expert already and probably be part of the recruiting board. Now, without further ado, let's hop right in. Follow me to my screen. Let me show you how this works. Hold on. If this is your first time on my channel, do very well to subscribe. All right, because I do videos like this every single month, every single day, every single week. Now, the crux of this video is going to be at the end of this video. I'm also going to tell you how you can actually scale up. If you want to make even more, I'm going to show you how you can do that, but it's at the end of this video, so you have to watch up until the end to get the full gist. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come on Google Chrome and type Google Cloud Skill Boost. It's very simple and straightforward. You just type Google Cloud Skill Boost. Now, once you have typed this, it's going to bring out a number of options for you. What I want you to do is to click on the first option, which is Google Cloud Skill Boost, and it's going to load for a minute and then open you up here. It says, hey there, choose your learning path, build your skills and validate your knowledge all in one place. Create an account today and start learning generative AI through our new free of course learning path. This 10-course learning path will teach you the fundamentals of generative AI from Google Cloud Expert. So access our full catalog of Google Cloud authored content. Visit the subscription page to purchase a Google Cloud Skill Boost monthly subscription of $29 per month or Innovative Plus annual subscription of $299 per year, subject to eligibility limitations. Now, you do not need to go for that. You can actually get it for free. Now, these are a number of courses that are actually open to anybody who is willing to learn. You can see here we have a Cloud Digital Leader Learning Path, we have DevOps Engineer, we have Duet AI Google Workspace, we have Google Cloud Applied AI Summit Learning Path, we have Duet AI in Google Cloud, we have Cloud Developing Learning, a number of different courses. But what we want to focus on rather is generative. So you're just going to come here and click and type on generative AI in the search bar, and you click on search. Now it's going to open this for you. So you see generative AI for developers, learning part, introduction to generative AI. Now I want to assume that you have little or no knowledge in this industry. So in my opinion, I would click on introduction to generative AI. Now you can see it says this learning part provides an overview of generative AI concept from the fundamentals of large language models to responsible AI principle. Now I'm going to tell you some disclaimer. The truth is, an introduction to generative AI learning part alone is not sufficient enough to grant you certain jobs or grant you jobs in the industry of artificial intelligence. So my simple advice would be first start with learning the generative AI, all right, an introduction to generative AI. Then you can build on it by other advanced Google courses that are available and at your disposal here on Google. So you can see this course has about 5 modules. The first module is about 30 minutes. It says Introduction to Generative AI. The second module is Introduction to Large Language Models. It's 8 hours also. The third module is Introduction to Responsible AI. This focuses on AI language, NLP, and all that. Now, the fourth is Generative AI Fundamentals, and of course, the fifth module is Responsible AI, applying AI principle with Google Cloud. Now, there is a disclaimer also to this, which is that when you are done taking this course, you are not exactly going to get a certificate, but you're going to get a badge, a Google badge that actually endorses the fact that you have taken this course and you are certified, because you can only finish the course before you get your badge. Anybody who has not finished the course, of course, cannot get a badge. Now that you know this, what I want you to do is, once you're done taking this course, start it as soon as you can. Once you're done taking this course, it builds you, it gives you a broader perspective. Now, the truth is, I just finished completing a course on generative AI myself, and I'm also currently taking an advanced course on prompt engineering. And this is because I understand that it is very important that you get a broader, full scope knowledge in order for you to be top tier applicant in this industry. All right, now without further ado, I told you I'm going to show you where you can actually get this job when you're done taking your classes, and that's simply coming to LinkedIn. Now what you want to do is to come on LinkedIn and come on the search panel and type generative AI. Now when you type on generative AI, it's going to bring out an array of different things pertaining to generative AI. You could see job, product, people, posts, groups, companies, events, courses, schools, services. These are literally anything under generative AI that is available on LinkedIn. Now, if you're not on LinkedIn and you're following me, please do very well to be on LinkedIn. That's one of the ways you show that you're actually serious with growing your brand. Be on LinkedIn. So you want to come here and click on jobs. Now, you would agree with me that for a start, your CV would probably be as empty as possible. So what you want to do is to come here on jobs and probably apply for jobs, yes, but also focus on internship. Now, there are going to be a lot of internships that will be free and not a few will be paid. So you're just going to apply, right, and create a very good CV. Now, also, how do you create your CV as a generative AI specialist that just moved into the industry? It's very simple. What you want to do is to go on ChatGPT and say, ChatGPT, help me create a CV for an introduction, or a CV that introduces me to generative AI, a CV for an intern or a newbie or a novice generative AI specialist, right? And ChatGPT will create that for you. But however, do not just trust ChatGPT. What I want you to do is to also take that CV that has been developed for you and edit it properly, make it human edited. All right, because some of these companies will just take your CV, place it on certain SaaS or certain software, and it's going to tell them if this was ChatGPT generated or not. Now, also, if you're not from Nigeria and you want a job in any part of the country or any part of the world, you can come here and just search for where you want. But I'm just leaving it at Nigeria or globally, it doesn't matter. So you could see different jobs here: senior product management, trilogy. You have AI training for household writers for Nigerians. You have generative AI developer. This job is in Nigeria. Actually, it's remote. You can see just a number of jobs. These are all showing Nigeria because I focused on Nigeria. If I'm choosing to go for United States of America, it's also going to be showing me the US. So I'm just going to come here and click on United States. and give it a moment. In just a short moment, it's going to rearrange this. You can see technical content marketing writer, generative AI specialist, writer, United States. You can see writing specialist. You can see AI content marketing manager, AI writing generalist, hired art. This is Houston, Texas. Basically, this is going to give you locations that are remote, that are tailor-made for what you selected here. If you are choosing to get jobs in London, you can also come here and type on London, United Kingdom, and it's also going to bring out jobs. You see London, England, United Kingdom. It's going to bring out jobs that are tailor-made for London, United Kingdom. Now, if you followed up until this point and you feel like I gave you value for your time, please do very well to subscribe to this channel, because I drop videos like this that are really going to help you in your financial journey. And also, if you missed the early part of this video, I said in the early part of this video that I'm doing a one-on-one class where I teach people the faster route where they can make money. This works, but this is actually a long route. If you are probably stranded with money, or you probably need something in the short time frame to start making money, I'm going to be teaching you in that class. The class is every single month of the year. The first batch starts in about a week, so do very well to hit on it. And even if you're if you're seeing this video weeks, months later, so click on the link. What you want to do is to come on the comment section and type "Phil, I want to be a part of your class," and I'm going to send you the invite. Just do that. Even if this is 10 years later, I'm going to respond to that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.